So guys, weekends na naman. So, yeah. So, magawa ko ng videos, nagbabasa ako ng mga review sa isang particular application galing Google Play Store. And for this week guys, magbabasa tayo ng mga review. No? Samahan nyo ako magbasa ng mga review sa isa sa pinaka, hindi ko alam kung ito yung pinaka, pero alam ko isa ito sa pinaka ginagamit na messaging app sa buong mundo. Walang iba kundi ang Messenger. So, today, Saturday, Messenger, yung mga review sa Messenger ang babasahin natin. Kung nagtataka kayo kung saan ko binabasa yung mga review is basically sa Google Play Store, then doon sa most critical review, doon ako naghahanap. So, 1-star review yung binabasa ko. Kasi pagka nagbasa ako ng mga 5 or 4-star reviews, walang challenge, no? Walang thrill. Kasi gusto kong mabasa, kaya ako nagbabasa. Isa rin sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko binabasa yun is para magkaroon ng awareness yung ibang tao sa kung ano ba yung iniisip, no, ng ibang tao. Kasi, for example, ako, like last week, player ako ng Mobile Legends. Wala naman akong problema doon. Pero, since nung binasa ko yung mga negative or yung mga, sabihin na natin, critical reviews, napag-isip-isip ko na meron pa rin talagang mga tao na kahit sabihin mong sobrang popular nung game na yun is meron pa rin mga tao na nagkakaroon ng problema doon sa game na yun. Kahit sabihin mong constant yung update, well, I think isa yun sa mga kinaiinisan ng tao doon sa Mobile Legends is yung constant update. Pero anyway, no, ayun na nga guys, with all that being said, no, also nga pala another thing, hindi ko nilalagay dito hindi ko sinasama doon sa screenshot yung name ng taong nag-review for confidentiality purposes. I don't know kung tama yon. Pero, yun na nga. So, kasi confidential, hindi ko isasama yon. Anyway, with all that being said, no, simulan na natin agad. So, for number 1, again, Messenger application, no? So, for our first review, ito ang sabi niya. There is nothing but the passing of chain-type messages and quotes and information that isn't true. Mga chain message. Like, ipasa nyo to sa 5 different na tao. Kasi pag hindi nyo ginawa, mamamatay yung lolo mo. Seriously, come on! Well, hindi ko may kakaila kasi nakaka-receive ako ng ganyan. Pero, anyway, continue. I haven't received any real, true, good messages from any of my friends, so I deleted the app. I haven't received any real, true, good messages from... The question is, do you have any real, true, good friends? Kasi hindi naman kayo ma-message ng isang tao kung hindi nyo siya friend sa Facebook. Unless kung yung Facebook nyo is hindi naka-private or yung settings nyo na kung sino man ang gustong mag-message sa inyo is naka-on. Pero kung naka-hide lahat ng yon, kumbaga naka-private yung Facebook profile nyo, hindi naman kayo ma-message ng kung sino-sino lang eh. And also, mapupunta yun sa filtered or mapupunta yun sa message request. And pag hindi nyo in-accept yung message request, wala, no? Hindi nila makikita na nabasa nyo yung message. Anyway, my account was hacked through Messenger. Someone set me up, pretended to be my friend, then captured all of my contacts. If you're being careful enough, hindi mangyayari sa yan eh. Anyway, puro na ako rant. Continue. I do not recommend this app to anyone. I just read that soon Messenger will be our only way to send videos and chat with our Facebook friends. Does this mean no more private messaging? Well, basically, Messenger is a private way, no, of communicating to someone. Pero, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, kung hindi ka mag-iingat, hindi siya magiging private. Kasi yung privacy natin, no, always remember guys, yung privacy natin, tayo ang may hawak niyan kung paano natin i-manage yung privacy natin. Kung katulad nito, siguro ang ginawa niya is ibinigay niya yung credentials, or kung hindi naman, nabiktima siya ng phishing. So, para maprotektahan natin yung privacy na, we need to use our head, no? Kailangan nating mag-isip, kailangan nating pagganahin yung utak natin sa mga ganitong klase ng bagay. Next one, sabi niya, the emojis keep going to the old update and turning into the old emojis out of a sudden. I would appreciate it if the emojis would be updated to the current one or stay as the current ones. It's displeasing to the eye. I did not have this problem until recently. Please fix this bug. I don't think it's a bug. I think it is a constant change, no, from the developers. Kasi kahit ako ayoko nung nagbago yung emojis. Diyos ko. Anyway, bago yon. Please fix this bug. I really liked this app, but now I have second thoughts about deleting. I seem to be not the only one with this problem. Update. So, naglagay siya ng update. Kumbaga, binago niya yung or dinagdagan niya yung review. Sabi niya, the nickname option for chat setting is gone. What's wrong with Messenger? So, yung review niya is netong April lang. Okay, so, number 1 is yung emoji. Yung emojis is naiinis ako kasi for me, ang pangit na ng emojis. Gusto ko yung dating emojis, yung parang naka-side view yung mga emojis. Ito yung example, no? Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong emoji sa lahat. Yung devil, yung kulay violet na nakangiti. Like, favorite na favorite ko yan. Pero ngayon, wala na yung ganyan. Ang pangit na niyan. Ang pangit na niya. From this guy, or from this image, from this look, to this. Ang pangit. Pagkumparahin nyo nga, like, come on, Messenger. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit gumagamit ako ng Messenger, well, bukod dun sa, kasi kasama sa Facebook yan, and also means of communicating doon sa mga friends ko and sa mga relatives, is sticker and yung emojis. Pero ngayon, ang pangit na ng emojis. Dadalawang isip na ako gamitin yung mga emojis. And also, sabi niya dito, the nickname option for chat setting is gone. I think yan ang problema. Kasi sa akin, hindi naman nawala yung nickname, no? Napapalitan ko pa rin naman yung mga names nila. Kaso nga lang, as time goes by, no, yung Messenger is nagiging mas complicated na siyang gamitin kaysa dati. Dati sobrang simple lang. Chat lang, send ng like doon sa gilid, then send ng emoji, send ng konting stickers, then okay na. Send ng videos, images, photos, okay na. Ngayon, oo man, maraming ang bagong features like yung dark mode. Gusto ko yon. Pangalawa is yung nickname. Maganda yon. Pero habang tumatagal, no, o dumadami yung sabihin nating features, kaso nga ng papangit and nagiging mas komplikadong gamitin. Dati sobrang user-friendly, ngayon hindi na. Anyway, next. Sabi niya, horrible experience. The messages are not often delivered. It lags and I can't stop using it because FB don't allow it anymore unless I stop talking with my BF, which is not a choice. Then why don't you talk to your boyfriend in different messaging applications such as WhatsApp, Line, or maybe even Twitter or Instagram? Kasi pwede naman kayo mag-message dun eh. But why? Kasi maybe because walang Instagram or other messaging applications yung boyfriend mo, then sabihin mo sa kanya mag-download siya. Ganun ba kahirap yon? I would like to have a good experience because I know it isn't safe. Ano? I would like to have a good experience because I know it isn't safe. And all my data are being explored, Mr. Zuck. So, if I'm paying with my precious data, fix it up. So, not much really to say here. So, wala akong masyadong masasabi dito kasi wala eh. Ano niya yun eh. Kumbaga, ano niya te, parang kumbaga eh, preference. Tama ba yung word or opinion? Kasi, siguro kung walang boyfriend tong taong to, hindi siguro siya gagamit ng Messenger. Pero since merong siyang boyfriend, hindi gumamit siya ng Messenger. Kaso nga lang, ang daming option eh. Like, sobrang daming option, sobrang daming way para makapag-usap kayo ng boyfriend mo. Pwedeng, I don't know, yun nga, Instagram, KakaoTalk, Line, WhatsApp, even Twitter. Pwede naman dun eh. Pero, anyway, so for the last one, kasi ang haba na ng video, dapat saglit lang to. Sabi niya, suddenly all of my personalized settings disappeared. I cannot figure out how to put them back. It is very frustrating. Hindi ako marunong magbasa. It is very frustrating. It is very frustrating. And I'd love if someone could help me fix it ASAP. There isn't even an option to put them back at this point. The people in the conversations say that nothing has changed on their side though. So what the hell? So ayun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ito yung isa sa nakaka-frustrate about the Messenger. Dati, sobrang user-friendly, sobrang daling gamitin. Ngayon, sobrang komplikado na. So, dinami-dami ng updates. Sobrang, come on, ang pangit na. So anyway guys, so that is it for today. That is it for the video. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions, no, para sa video na to, or para sa, sabihin na nating segment ko na to, no, wow, segment. Comment nyo lang sa comment section down below. And malay nyo naman, di ba? Gawin ko yun. So, that is it for the video, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo. And I hope kahit papaano, sumaya kayo. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, kung nagustuhan nyo. And also, share nyo na rin para na rin sa iba. Subscribe kayo sa channel, guys, kasi napakarami pang tech-related videos coming up very, very soon. Although, hindi pala to tech-related, pero maraming tech-related videos soon. Also, nga pala guys, just click or tap the first video para mapanood nyo ang latest upload ko. Or click or tap the second video naman para mapunta kayo sa playlist ng aking Weekends Fun Day. Once again guys, my name is CJ na nagsasabi sa inyong don't skip ads. Try nyo kayang huwag skip yung ads. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.